Alright guys, today we're going to be feeding the squirrels and the birds. I was feeding them previously today, so they are very active now. So now is the perfect time to do it. See all the squirrels and birds? Here we go. See? Little squirrely. Comment down below what you think I should name them all. And whatever comment gets the most likes, I'll pin. Oh, they're fighting right now. They'll come back. They'll come back, right? Yeah, see, there's some more over here. That one has a peanut. This one doesn't, so perfect. You got the peanut? You want a peanut? Here you go, peanut. You missed it? You smell it or no? There you go, you got the peanut. And there's a little friend right there on the roof. I'm probably gonna miss it, but... Oh no, he's gonna get a peanut I left on there, so that's fine. Right? He should get it. And I'll just throw him one. There you go, little friend. You got it? Nice. Also, guys, our sprinkler broke, so the grass is a little dead right now, but we're getting it fixed, so in future videos, the grass should be looking beautiful again. So... there's a little squirrel in the tree. He sees me right there. You all see him? See if he wants a peanut. Try to tilt the camera up. You want a peanut? You want a peanut? Ugh. That wasn't successful. That's fine though. I'll leave some peanuts down there and do that. There's also a little blackbird. Where you at? There you go. Get a peanut. I'll be out here like 2 more minutes and then I'll wrap up the morning video. Because I want to try to record another video for later, but also I have work to do, so. You get the peanut? I know you want it. Let me try to get it to land on the roof. No. Please. Shoot, I missed. You know, I wonder how close I can get to it. Maybe I can do this. Come here, little friend. Here, you want a peanut? Oh, you get really close, huh? Here you go, peanut. Oh, got a little scared. It's fine. I'll back up. Give him some space. There's also a blue jay. Oh, another squirrel with a peanut. See, blue jay, do you want your peanut? I'll put it right there so we can see it from the bush and fly out. There we go. Oh no, he went back there. Well, the squirrel sees it now. Oh, and there's a little friend right here. Hey, you want a peanut? You want a peanut? Come here. Come here. Here you go, peanut. You want a peanut? Did you see it? There you go, you got it. You're stepping right over it. Oop, there you go, peanut. Peanut, peanut. There's another little friend. Come here, you want a peanut? Here, Peanut. Peanut. Here you go. Come on. I know you smell it. Come on. You want me to throw it again? I'll throw it closer to you so you're not as scared. Surely you see that, come on. It's right in front of you. Come on. There you go, good job. Alright guys, I want to try to feed a bird. Possibly if I could. And then that'll be it for the video for this morning. Hopefully I get a bird. But if not, I can just end the day off with some squirrels. I would like to get the blue jay. Maybe it might have got the peanut while I wasn't looking, but this bag's empty. It just has like loose nuts. So I'll let all that go there. And then I'll get a spare peanut and throw it over there. So I can see if the blue jay gets it. There's another little squirrel friend coming. Fence, on the fence. There's a crow in the bush. There's a squirrel in the little alleyway. So many squirrels everywhere. Let's see, do you want a peanut? This is a nice big salty peanut. Hey, you want a peanut? Peanut. Here. You want a peanut? You're a little scared. Here, I'll throw it over there. Here. A little close. I'll throw it right there. That's perfect. Surely he wants that. There's the blue jay. Let's see if I can get it to get. There we go. Come on. Come on. Perfect way to end the video. Come on. Come on. You know you want it. Let me throw one. Ooh, kind of scared it away. Shoot. Throw another one closer. For the heck of it, I'm throwing it in the bush. Ooh, it's over there. Oh, and it got a peanut. If you don't, do you see it? Flew over there. Well, in case y'all didn't see it, it's like not really fair, so I'm gonna try to get another bird. Hopefully. But if not, I can like end it with a squirrel. Oops. Bird feeder. Come on. Yep, you got a peanut. Up. That's about it for me today, or at least this morning. Alright guys, I'll see you later. But before I leave, oh, never mind, there's a little friend over there. Before I leave, I'm gonna looking weird there. I'm gonna leave some peanuts here. And if I see some later, I'll upload maybe like a short or a poll or picture with some of the squirrels and see what you all want to name them. Well, that's it for today, or this morning. Bye guys. Hope you all enjoy your morning.